Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdekayam Chimthanawala. Today I will discuss the indications of lycopodium that I have seen in my practice in regarding throat complaints. I have seen a lot of cases of lycopodium and prescribed lycopodium in few symptoms that are very important and very important to understand the throat of lycopodium, because normally we prescribe some routine medicines like Hiparsulf, like nitric acid, like causticum, like Vithia, but lycopodium also has some wonderful indications that you have to remember in order to prescribe for throat symptom. The first symptom that you should remember in lycopodium is the constriction. There is constriction and choking feeling in the throat, especially on swallowing. Now, there are a lot of other remedies which have the same symptom, that is constriction and choking, or you can say during swallowing or on swallowing. With this symptom, you have to see lycopodium with pulsatilla, bradycarb, graphitis, hyoscyamus, and cupromet. But my dear friends, lycopodium and pulsatilla are two very important remedies when the patient classically comes and tells you there is this choking or constriction feeling on swallowing. This is very important. On asking further, you will find in a lycopodium patient there is a sensation of foreign body in the esophagus. The patient will say there is a sensation as if something कुछ अटका हुआ है. There is sensation of foreign body in the esophagus. I am not telling throat, in the esophagus. Very similar to gelsemium and phosphorus. So compare this sensation of foreign body sensation in the esophagus with gelsemium and phosphorus. Of course, gelsemium is more important than phosphorus that I have seen in my patients. Now, lycopodium is also a remedy for chronic inflammation of throat. There are a lot of patients who will come, sir, we have recurrent cough and cold, we have recurrent sore throat, we have recurrent, so we take a lot of other medicines, it is better, but again it comes back. In those cases, we have to think about lycopodium. So lycopodium has inflammation and sore throat, which is very chronic, and especially inflammation or sore throat after cold. Now, this is a very important indication of lycopodium after cold. You have a lot of other remedies like bradycarb, like belladonna, like chamomilla, in fact, a rare remedy called Cistus canadensis or dulcamara. But my dear friends, lycopodium. Lycopodium is also important remedy when there is a inflammation of throat from cold, and that's why the patient suffers from recurrent tonsillitis. Recurrent tonsillitis, again, it becomes an important symptom of lycopodium. As you go further, as I told you, foreign body sensation, there is a pluck sensation also in the throat pit, the pit of the throat, and this is again an important indication of lycopodium. Lump sensation in the throat pit. In fact, if you see in your Mater Medica, lycopodium is the most important remedy, followed by lachesis and then followed by Nux vomica. Of course, tarantula is a rare remedy that is sometimes indicated if there is a pluck sensation in the throat pit, and that's the pluck sensation is hard, and that is lycopodium. So this is how you have to differentiate in lycopodium throat complaints. As you go further, in lycopodium, the mucus of the throat is greenish. You might think of pulsatilla, you might think of sternum metallicum, you might think of some other remedies like sternum metallicum or silicea. Colchicum also has a symptom, but lycopodium also, if you want to prescribe, the mucus from the throat is generally greenish. And of course, the pain in the throat is from right to the left, or sometimes only on the right side. The most important symptom of throat in pain of lycopodium is its modalities. In lycopodium, the pain in the throat is amelioration by cold drinks. Now, this, my friends, will guide you in prescribing lycopodium. Pain in the throat, better by cold drinks. In fact, pain in the throat, aggravation by cold drinks also is lycopodium. Both is covered by lycopodium. But pain general on swallowing, that again becomes a very important indication of lycopodium. If you go and see further, pain better by drinking warm drinks is also lycopodium, and pain aggravated by warm drinks sometimes also is lycopodium. So there is a variety of symptoms of modalities of lycopodium. Now, if you, the type of pain, there is a bruised pain. There's a bruised pain in the throat, घसा हुआ, dryness, the rawness, the scratchiness, the roughness, That's called as the bruised pain, the type of pain, the bruised sore pain from right to the left side of the throat, or sometimes only on the right side of the throat. That is important. That's why in throat complaints, it is indicated in tonsillitis, especially there is suppuration in the right tonsils. A very, very important remedy, Lycopodium, when there is suppuration in the right side of the tonsils. The only remedy you should compare in this complaint is Bratacarb. A very, very important remedy, Bratacarb, by this suppuration in the right tonsils. And there is a constant disposition to swallow in Lycopodium. When he tries to tell the symptom, he'll tell you like this, sir, I have a lot of pain in the throat, and the pain migrates from the right side to the left side. There's a lot of roughness and scratchiness in the throat. So there's a constant disposition to swallow. Now that disposition to swallow is important symptom. That is because of disposition to, we feel that there is a lot of choking. From choking, the disposition to swallow comes very close to Merck-Core and very close to sepia. So this is very important symptoms of Lycopodium. And in Lycopodium, the swallowing is written in Mater Medica, the swallowing is impossible. Liquids, even a teaspoonful is very difficult or impossible, especially liquids. You have to compare this symptom with one remedy, and that is nitric acid. So nitric acid, Lycopodium, in throat, swallowing is impossible. Liquids, even a teaspoonful of, very difficult to swallow. So these are the very, very important indications of Lycopodium in throat, which I have seen in my practice. Of course, the modality is the 4 to 8 p.m., though that is also important, Lycopodium, but this is what I've seen in my practice, and I have prescribed Lycopodium in throat complaints in these complaints. In fact, if you see a Lycopodium patient, he will tell you liquids when he takes are forced into the nose. Matlab, when he drinks liquid, it comes out through the nose, and that's why there's choking sensation, there is disposition to swallow, plug sensation in the throat pain. This all is there in Lycopodium, and that's why liquids are very difficult or impossible. Even a teaspoonful of water is difficult, and if the liquids are taken, they are forced through the nose. So in short, if you want to remember Lycopodium, these are the symptoms that I have found useful in my practice. My friends, if you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.